Hello there everyone, I'm Lydia from Altenew, and I'm just popping in to let you know a little bit more about our online live virtual workshops. Do you want to relax, get creative and spend some time with some like-minded people from the comfort of your own home? Well, look no further, we are now hosting online virtual workshops. We have a number of live workshops coming up with different themes and instructors. You will be able to interact with our instructor and create projects simultaneously. If this is something that interests you, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, sign up, and we can't wait to see you in class.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!